Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how you can clip images onto text and shapes, which is a really cool tool and you'll use it a lot once you know how. So here I have some text with the words beach, and I have clipped a photograph of a beach to it so that it fits around the letters. And here I have created a grid of some cute looking puppies using some rectangle shapes and square shapes, and I have clipped images onto those shapes. Now here's what I mean by clipped. When you want to do this technique, you must start with the text or the shape that you want to clip your image to. So I'm just going to draw a text box on, so you can see that I've used the text tool and I've dragged it on. My text looks pretty big, so I'm just going to go up here to the top and just knock off the one at the beginning and just knock it down to 50. And then I'm going to type, in fact I will do beach again because it is starting to get cold here and I would like to spend a bit of time on a beach, so let's go with it. So here we have beach words. Now you may notice that I don't actually like this text, I'll be honest. I don't like it, but it's chunky and you need chunky text really for this to work. Okay, so if you don't like the text, you can always highlight it and go into your text style up here, and you can choose, different chunky text. Oh, that one's not too bad. Then you need your image, so I'm going to go to File and I'm going to click on Place Embedded, and that will allow me to find some pictures. I'll use again my picture of a beach. So there it is. Now here is the trick, okay? Over here in the layers panel, now my picture has actually been placed neatly above my text layer, but sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you may insert your image and it goes here, it goes behind your text layer. Now you have to have your image above the text and then you place it literally on the text. Now the text is quite small compared to that image, so I'm going to click an edge, a corner, and I'm going to sort of resize it if you like and just make it a little bit smaller so that it fits over my text. And then I go back over here to my layers panel and it's over the text. My picture is on top of my text. I then right click on that layer and you get options, and I want you to create a clipping mask. Create clipping mask. Click on it and voila! It has clipped it. Now look at what is so cool about this. I've clicked on the image and I can move it about, so I can actually position it exactly where I want it to be. I can still even resize it within the clipping mask. Okay, so that's how you do a clipping mask on some text. But what if you wanted to do it on a shape? So I'll just draw a rectangle shape here, and you know what, I'm gonna go all out. I'm gonna make a circle as well, so I will draw a circle too, and then I will insert my pictures again. Remember what we did? We went to File, Place Embedded, and I'll find some pictures, and again I'll use the little cute dogs again because they are super cute. Do you know what, I love that little dog. It just fills me with joy when I look at him. Look how cute he is. Now it's a bit big, so I'm going to drag the corner of that image just a little bit smaller and position him over my rectangle shape. Now I'll stick him on my circle. I'll have him on my circle. So I've positioned him over my circle. Now over here, you can see that the picture layer is directly above the ellipse layer, the one with my circle in it. It has to be directly above the shape you wanted to click to. That's going to be your biggest problem when you come to figuring out this. It'll be, why is it not working? Why is it not working? And it's because you've not put your picture on the right shape when you clip it. I'm then going to right click on the layer, right click, create clipping mask, and here I have it. I'll use my select tool to move him about if I want to position him exactly, and there he is. Alright, let's do another one. File, Place Embedded, and I'll do one more, and I'll do the, oh no, he's cute. Oh, he's so cute, this one. I'm going to make that a little bit smaller, stick it over my rectangle, and it looks like it's on top of my rectangle, and I'm going to right click in the layers panel, right click, create clipping mask, but something's gone wrong. Something's gone wrong. It's not clipped on the shape there, but it seems to have interfered with this circle. And if we look back, and it's because look at what I've done. I've not paid attention to where the picture was placed. Remember, it's got to be directly above the shape that you want to clip it to. So I'm going to drag that layer down and I'll stick it above this rectangle, right, and I'm going to right click on it, create clipping mask, and there he is, clipped to my rectangle. Alright everyone, have fun!